In the heart of the kitchen, Mama sets a single candy upon a pristine plate. A moment of sweet anticipation. Hussein and Mirha exchange glances, a silent dialogue passing between siblings. Hussein's eyes widen, a visible thirst for the sugary prize, as his mouth waters. Mirha offers a subtle knowing smile as Mama declares, "This is the last candy, kids. You both decide." Hussein, bursting with joy, snatches the candy, his laughter echoing through the room. "My candy! My candy!" He dashes about, a whirlwind of pure childish glee. Mira remains still, her expression a mystery as her parents watch with concern. Baba's voice cuts through the joyous chaos, laced with concern. "Mirha, you didn't say anything." The silence stretches, heavy with unspoken emotions, as all eyes turn towards Mirha. Mirha enters Hussein's room, a candy held tightly in her grasp. She offers the candy to Hussein. "This is my saved candy. You like it a lot, right?" Hussein, surprised by Mirha's generosity, asks, "You're giving it to me, Appy?" Mirha smiles and replies, "You're my dearest brother."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.